Students, we study about acid and bases. Acids, according to Arrhenius theory, when dissolved in water, dissociates to give H plus ions, that is hydrogen ion, and H3O plus ions, that are known as hydronium ion. Those are called as acids. It is given here. There one H plus or H3O plus ions, those are positive ions. When dissolved, dissociates to give positive ions, those are called acids. Simply here in basis, according to Arrhenius concept or the theory, when the substances which dissolves in water dissociates to give OH ions, that is hydroxyl ion, those are known as bases. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept or the theory, Bronsted acids is H plus ion donor, but bases are H plus ion acceptor. Acids are sour in taste, either the bases are bitter in taste. Acids pH is lesser than 7 and bases pH is greater than 7. In litmus solution, they turns blue to red, and litmus solution which turns red to blue. There one word is also added, anil. Anil related from A related from acid, Nila that is blue, and L that is lal. Lal is equal to red. So the substances which turns blue to red in litmus solution, those are called acids. Simply here opposite to this, the in litmus solution that turns red to blue, those are called bases. Acids are no soapy touch, either the bases are soapy in touch or the slippery touch. Methyl orange turns orange to red and phenolphthalein remains colorless. Those are acids. Either the methyl orange turns orange to yellow and phenolphthalein which is colorless to pink. Those are called bases. One sentence also add करूँगा मैं बेटा students. There is phenolphthalein is used in anti-corruption working. सो एंटी करप्शन डिपार्टमेंट के पास में जब भी कोई किसी प्रकार का ऐसा कोई मामला आता है तो उसमें उस पर्सन की जांच करने के लिए वहाँ पर मैं उन पर्सन्स को फिनोफ्थलीन पाउडर से फॉर्म किए हुए कुछ नोट्स देते हैं. वेन एवर वो पर्सन जब भी जो गिल्टी पर्सन को नोट दे रहा है यानी रिश्वत दे रहा है, तो जैसे ही नोटों को वो हाथ लगाते हैं उनके हाथों पर वो फिनोफ्थलीन पाउडर चिपक जाता है. और जैसे ही फिनोफ्थलीन पाउडर को वही पर्सन्स जब एंटी करप्शन वाले किसी सोपी वाटर या साबुन के पानी के अंदर डालते हैं तो अगर पिंक कलर रिलीज होता है तो ही वॉज गिल्टी, आइदर उसने रिश्वत नहीं ली. सो ये यूज़ किया जाता है. एसिड्स दैट इज एग्जाम्पल्स आर हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एंड नाइट्रिक एसिड. आइदर the basis examples are NaOH, KOH, CaOH whole twice. Some another examples: ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, copper hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide also are the examples of bases. Simply either examples are acids is citric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid. ये सब वर्ड्स तो ही हैं. इनके साथ में एसिटिक एसिड, फॉर्मिक एसिड, tartric acid, to malic acid, those are the examples of acids. So acids, the chemical compounds found naturally in plants or derived from the minerals. those are called natural acids. Many natural acids found in fruits, vegetables such as lemon, oranges, etc. Uses of acids are manufacturing in dyes, drugs, paints, fertilizers, as food preservative and soft drinks, and in cooking also. So acid word is derived from Latin word that is acidus, and this means are sour. So the substances which are sour in taste, those are called acids. Simply here bases, there are oxides of and hydroxides of metal. Soluble bases are called alkalis. Sodium hydroxide, copper iodide, those are alkalis examples. जो भी पानी के अंदर डिसॉल्व हो सकते हैं, ऐसे बेसिस को हम एल्काली कहते हैं. सी वाटर एंड द डिटर्जेंट्स सम एग्जांपल्स that are basic in nature. Basis uses are manufactured in soaps, batteries, and preparation of mortar. Either we study about acids. So acids are sour in taste, turns blue litmus to red, and to give H3O or the hydronium ion, those are called acids. HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3 are the examples of here. Bases which are bitter in taste and have soapy touch turns red litmus to blue to give hydroxide ion in a solution that are called bases. NaOH, KOH are the examples of them. Simply here we notice that the indicators are substance which are indicate the acid and basic nature of the solution are by the color change or their order change. Those are called indicators. The color of some acid and base indicators in acidic and basic medium are given below, that is litmus solution that is purple in color acidic medium, in red in color basic medium that is blue in color, methyl orange which is orange in color acidic medium that is pink in color and basic medium which is orange, phenolphthalein which is colorless acidic medium remains colorless and in basic medium pink in color, methyl red that is red in color and they turns into acid yellow and turns into basic medium that is red in color. Acids can be further classified into two parts or the groups. Those are called organic and the mineral acids. Mineral acids are also called as inorganic acids. First one, organic acids. Acids which are present in fruits, vegetables, naturally occurring substance found in the plants and animals product. Those are called as organic acids. The examples of organic acids are here citric acid, that is citrus fruit like one orange and lemon, lactic acid, that is sour milk or the curd, दूध या दही के अंदर जो मिलता है, that is lactic acid. यूरिक एसिड दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन यूरिन और यूरिन के अंदर भी हमारे पास में यूरिक एसिड फॉर्मेशन है. फॉर्मिक एसिड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द स्टिंग ऑफ बीज एंड आंट्स. ब्यूटायरिक एसिड दैट इज रैंसिड वाटर. रैंसिड वाटर के अंदर जो एसिड प्रेजेंट है उसे हम ब्यूटायरिक एसिड कहते हैं. टार्ट्रिक एसिड्स दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन ग्रेप्स और द टैमरिंड. इमली और अंगूर के अंदर जो प्रेजेंट है दैट इज टार्ट्रिक एसिड. मैलिक एसिड एप्पल्स के अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है. स्टीरिक एसिड बस. एसिडिक एसिड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन विनेगर. स्टीरिक एसिड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन फैट्स. टैनिक एसिड प्रेजेंट इन टी. ऑक्सैलिक एसिड इन टोमेटो. benzoic acid which is present in food preservatives. Hydrochloric acid which is present in our gastric juice or the stomach. Simply here the minerals, mineral acids. that is also known as inorganic acid. The acids obtained from the minerals, those are called mineral acids. Hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, sulfurous acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acids. Those are the examples of mineral acids. Either the bases which are bitter in taste, इतना तो हमने बताया था, turns red to blue, litmus solution, pH is greater than 7, and the substance which dissolve and give hydroxyl ion or the negative charge ion in solution, these are called as bases. Alkalis की हमने define भी दी है. Alkalis is an base which are soluble in water. जो भी bases जो पानी के अंदर dissolve हो जाते हैं उन्हें अपन alkalis कहते हैं. An alkalis is a given compound which is dissolved in water yield hydroxyl ion as the negative charge ion. NaOH, KOH, COH voltage and NH4OH voltage are the example of